In this episode of Sailing Doodles, we take you on a tour and explore the fishing community of Saumlaki, Indonesia. We were a long way from home on the eastern side of Indonesia. We had finished the check-in process the day before, so this was our first opportunity to really explore the community. In places like this, it can often be hard to find a secure place to leave your dinghy.
I don't know what kind of sights there are really to do around here. There's not a whole lot from looking at the tourist books. There's not really any tourist stuff here.
You can eat snake.
Yeah, you can eat snake. So we're going to see this place called the Stone Boat. It's a couple different stone boats. They've been here pretty old. Hello. Yeah, this place smells about like it looks it smells. Hello.
Bobby, who helped us check in, also arranged a car hire for us for the day.
Oh, look at them. They're muddy ones. I want the one on the bottom.
Oh,
that one must like to run away.
You must like to run away.
Our first stop was a house where they sell local homemade goods, and yes, I know the guides get a kickback, but we wanted to check it out anyway.
Look at that one.
It seemed like the whole village showed up to sell their handmade
Look at the
boats.
dragon on that one. Thank you so much.
So we ended up buying 2 boats and some statues there. 900,000, which is yeah. So I don't know how much it is. That's like $50 or something. So, $60, not bad.
So it was on to our main stop for the day, the stone boats.
I don't think this boat's sailing anywhere.
In the old days, the stone boats were used as a town hall and a town square for the villagers. And most stone boats have a path that leads down to the water.
The river. I'm gonna wait till it stops raining.
Everywhere we brought out the drone, it gathered quite a crowd.
I guess it's kind of like the Rio thing, but Jesus is missing a finger. One of his fingers broke. So this is kind of like a worship center. They say it's only only do this on Easter and Christmas. It's not like an every weekend type thing, but I guess the big major Christian holidays, this whole thing would be full of people. And Jesus up there. We have to pay for some fuel and we're out of beer, so I gotta pay cash for beer. So I got 4 million rupee out of the bank ATM just then, which is about like, I don't know, $260. But it's really weird walking around with $4 million in my pocket right now. And then you look at your account balance and you're like, holy crap, I'm a multi-millionaire. When really you have like 3 figures, maybe 4 in your account. Probably 3, I don't know. Going to get fuel to take back to the boat. Well, they're pretty strict about not using phones and cameras around the pump equipment, but it was, so it's about 100 liters, about 25 gallons for 500,000 rupiah, which is like $35, $40, way cheaper than you get in the United States. It's like, it's $1.50 a gallon, pretty nice. Okay, it's our last night here in Saumlaki. Bobby is the man, he hooked us up. Yeah.
We're drinking bintang.
Cheers, cheers. So we got the barrels of essentials, we got our diesel, and we got a couple cases of beer. Honestly, that's the cheapest beer we've bought. It was about $25 a case of beer, which is the cheapest beer we've had since Mexico.
Definitely not French Polynesia.
Yeah, it was been almost 3 times that in French Polynesia, but yay Indonesia on your cheap beer.
Here, cheers.
In Tanimbar, Saumlaki.
Toast, toast. That's Indonesian for cheers.
It was our last night in Saumlaki, so we all went out for one more street food meal. It really was a tasty satay and only about $1.50 a person.
All right, our last day in Saumlaki, we are gonna head to the harbor master. I haven't been able to determine if we actually have to pay the harbor master or anything or not. Like, I've asked multiple people and they're like, yeah, and I don't think they understood what I was asking. So we're gonna go there and see if I need to pay him, and then we're gonna head out.
You've even said how much, and it's a yeah.
Okay, so I don't know, we'll see. Okay, we are all checked out of Saumlaki. We're just gonna go buy some last minute stuff and then get out of here. Bobby here has been invaluable. He'll help you out. There's links for the show notes if you make it Saumlaki, so thanks, sir.
Thank you. Sama-sama.
Sama-sama. One thing I would recommend that you get, and we've been asked for it a bunch here, it hadn't been a big deal, but people have always asked for it, is a boat stamp. You know those like rubber pad stamps where you like put it in ink and then you stamp a document? You might want to get one of those made for your boat, have the boat name on it or something like that. It's just, they've asked for that a lot, so.
We needed to do some last minute provisioning and then we were ready to head out.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
I really like Saumlaki. We're getting to that part of the area. I miss this place. I miss the Thailand type places, and you're starting to see the colorful wooden fishing boats and the really super friendly people. And it's extremely inexpensive. And it's really nice. We paid Bobby 1.7 million rupee, which is like, I don't know, $110, $120. But he was with us for like 4 days. He seemed really happy about that amount of money. Like, I didn't ask him how much or whatever. He didn't tell me. I just handed him a big stack of cash and he seemed very happy. So it's a little over $100 bucks, but he really made this so easy. and it was cheap in here. It's totally worth it.
Yeah, Bobby was on point with everything. With the rides, scooters, the cultural experience, all the food. Oh my gosh, he knows where to eat, for real.
Yeah, that was the thing. He made things a lot easier. Like, he arranged stuff for us. Like, he got us taxis to go get diesel and arranged taxis to do other things and took us shopping and all that. I mean, we bought him dinner pretty much every day too.
Which was what, $3?
Yeah,
dinner was $3, yeah. And he drinks with you, which is nice.
Please go ahead and click that subscribe button, and if you'd like to get notifications when we post a video, click the bell next to it.